Our goals when designing the Wrangler were to create an all-new interior design that builds on Jeep's legendary heritage. We wanted to make sure that it was all new, with the latest comfort and conveniences, infotainment, and storage options. We started the design looking towards the past, so that we were influenced by the vehicles that came before. So the overall horizontality of the instrument panel, that's from the original CJs. The top pad brow and all the trapezoidal elements, that's more from the YJs. The Wrangler loyalist is going to look at the interior and say, oh, okay, I get it. But for the new customers, I mean, you're going to have all the new technology. Then the rest of the language is very technical and precise and futuristic, and the color and materials follow suit as well. The price class walk is really based on the diversity of our customer and how different they are. Sahara is a much more premium environment. The mid-bolsters, again, are painted, but they're painted with a high-gloss grill silver. The metal accents on the steering wheel, on the vent trim rings and the shifters, it's all real metal plating, so it's cold to the touch. When you option up to leather seats on Sahara, the interior transforms yet again, and those mid-bolsters that are painted are replaced with premium luxury vinyl wrapping with decorative accent stitching and light tungsten. Rubicon is somewhere in between. It's authentic like the Sport, but it's a lot more fun. Here you have the optional radical red anodized mid-bolsters. That's just a fun pop of color. All price classes you can get with our traditional black or heritage tan cloth interior as well. I like to think about the storage on the interior like a tackle box. The vehicle isn't any bigger. It's really set up for off-roading. So it was our goal to compartmentalize the storage in a way that was useful to the consumer. So whether you're on the trail or on the highway, passenger comfort is very important. So we made a lot of upgrades ergonomically and in terms of some of the conveniences. Ergonomically, we've raised the entire center console up higher in vehicle so that the shifters and your cup holders are closer to the occupants. And taken the grab handle on the instrument panel and lowered that as well, so it's closer to smaller occupants. We've also taken the armrests on the doors and extended them all the way forward so that you can now finally lay your arm out straight. There isn't a millimeter on this interior that's carryover from the old one. It's all designed for this customer. And I hope they care about it the same way that we do.